guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian and welcome to this episode of IPSY. In this episode, we're going to be talking about eyeshadows that complement eye colors. So taking a look at the color wheel directly across from the color of your eye will be a complementary color that will really make your eyes stand out. All right, now here is a color wheel. Look at where your eyes fall on it and then look at the shades that are across from it. If you were to use a shade that is close to your eye color, then it will blend in and it will not necessarily make your eyes pop as much. So first we have Nora here, and she has dark brown eyes, which is very common out there. They are very versatile. You can go in any direction and play with any color you want. Today I'm gonna use green because it's gonna really pop and add a contrast to her eyes. So the green I'm going to be using today is from Space Case, and the shade is called Messy Lochnessy. It's a beautiful green shade that you can apply with your finger or with a brush. It's easy to apply. You get a beautiful creamy high pigment with it, and it's gonna wear all day. I'm using my finger to apply because it is the best way to apply this shadow if you want a high pigment. Now I'm using a fluffier blending brush to really soften the edge and just give a softer appearance on the lid. If you don't have a blending brush, that's okay too. You could just use your finger and lightly smudge. So we've done one eye, and I just want to show you guys the difference between her eye with no shadow and her eye with the green shadow. It definitely adds some pop, some contrast, and it looks beautiful on her eyes and her skin tone as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye, and we'll be right back with the finished look. So now to finish off the look, we're gonna top it with the Tarte Maneater mascara. To apply this mascara, I'm just gonna do a zigzag motion from the root of the lash, zigzagging all the way up to the end of the lash. This will add a lot of length and some volume as well. And this is the final look on beautiful Nora. So it's super easy. I know you can do it at home. You add just one color, blend it out with a brush, and ta-da! Gorge. Chelsea here has beautiful big green eyes. So on the color wheel opposite of green, we have red. So today I'm gonna use a rust color. I'm just gonna sweep this all over the lid, all the way up to her crease, and it will really make the green of her eyes pop. Patting will make the color pay off a little bit more intense. I'm taking a fluffier crease brush and I'm just gonna soften that edge. So we did one eye, and you can tell right off the bat the green in her eyes are really standing out. So I'm just gonna jump in, do the other eye, and then we'll finish it off with some mascara. So this is the finished look on beautiful Chelsea with her big ol' green eyes. Again, very easy, one eyeshadow, and it really makes a big difference in bringing out the color of her eyes. Do you like it?
Love it.
Yeah! So Lucy has beautiful blue eyes. Now, the opposite of blue on the color wheel is orange, but with orange you can really go neutral, anything brown. Just think neutral tones will complement the blue really well and make your eyes pop. So I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It's a gold shade. I know, it'll really make your eyes just like stand out. So using a flat shadow brush, I'm just going to press this right onto the lid. Pressing the eyeshadow will make it a little bit more intense and you get more color payoff with just the gold shadow all the way up to her crease or her brow bone. Just gently soften that and va-va-voom. Your eyes are definitely standing out and that blue is really coming through. Now let's do the other eye and we'll finish it off with some mascara. So we've done both eyes and we applied mascara. It's gorgeous. It really makes your eyes stand out and it's so easy. It's one eyeshadow. I know you can do this. So Tabby has Hazel Eyes. Now in a hazel eye, we have a mixture of green and brown. So to make that green pop, we want to use what's opposite of the green on the color wheel. So that is a red. Today we're going to use an eyeshadow that has a reddish hue to it or a mahogany, and that will really make the green in her eye pop. I'm taking a brush and I'm just gonna sweep this on all over Tabby's lid. And you can just see the difference between the eye that has the shadow on and the eye that does not have the shadow on. The green is really popping through and making it look gorgeous, flawless, poppin'. Don't laugh at me. I'm gonna do the other eye really quick and then we'll finish it off with some mascara. We have the finished look here on the beautiful Tabby. So this shadow is definitely making her eyes pop. She looks beautiful, stunning, gorgeous, and it's super easy too. Like, you can do this. Come on. Get it. Get it. Hazel Eyes. Hazel Eyes. Rachel has light brown eyes, and she also has a little bit of gold flecks in there. So if you look at the color wheel, opposite of yellow is purple. So by adding a little bit of a purple eyeshadow into her eyes, it's really gonna make her brown eyes pop and stand out. I'm placing the shadow right along her lash line from the middle of her eyes outwards. I'm doing a light wash of color all over the lid, all the way up to her crease, and then lightly just blending it out. Gorgeous. To finish off the look, I'm just gonna do mascara on her top lashes to add some height and really open up the eyes. And here we have the finished look. So Rachel's eyes are popping and she's ready to go out. Yeah! I hope this helped you a little bit bring out the color of your eyes. Let me know down below if you gave this a try. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, make good choices, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!